Welcome back. This is a short wheel update video on the steering rack. I've just discovered that the tie rod ends need to be swapped over in order to work, but you'll see that in the video. And you may have noticed the logo has changed. We've gone from NMC RC to JDM Nuggets. So a big shout out to my mate Phil down in Big Duds for doing the logo design. Epic designer. And if you like it as much as I do, you might want to see some stickers or some hats or t-shirts or whatever. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, enjoy. So I just went to start doing the video on the front brakes. And to do that, I wanted to get the steering rack finally kind of aligned because the wheels were a bit kind of like cooked. So yeah, I went to adjust the alignment and realized that I didn't have enough thread on the rack end here. And I was wondering what the hell is going on here. This is the EG DC rack end, and this is the CRV one. And as you can see, just by looking at them, one's longer. An inch, just over an inch. So this is off the CRV, and when I tried to thread it onto the integra one, I was running out of thread for it to start aligning the wheels correctly, which makes sense because it needs to sit about there, which is about that much thread. So I may have missed that in the instructions somewhere, but I'm sure I didn't. But yeah, this is something you probably want to do with the rack out of the car before you put it on the subframe. So now I have to swap this one from the CRV rack over to the integra rack, as long as they're the same thread pitch. And yep, they all look the same. So I'm going to chuck this one in, and then we'll look at how to replace and swap it on the opposite side. Okay, we've got the CRV steering rack in the vise here because we need to loosen off this nut. It is a 22. Ooh, yeah, fucker! Cool. Now we take the integra one off the CRV on the left side and then spin this one in. Just finished on filming the rear disc conversion and front brake upgrade. Alright, well that's got the wheels relatively straight without having an alignment done. And the rack ends are the correct length now. So that's another step closer to rolling this on the ground. Short wheel update video, that's just something I forgot with this rack. That obviously the tie rod ends need to be changed in order to compensate for the wider wheel track in the front, well, the whole wheel track of the CRV compared to an EK or an EG. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. This is getting very close to its first drive.